Here is a series whose value we have to find. You see that factorial 1, factorial 3, factorial 5. These factorials you see in the series of sin x. X by factorial 1 minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the power by factorial 5 minus dot 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 to infinity. Now, but there is a difference. You see here 3 3 5 5 7 7. So, and also you see that powers are different. 3 here 1, here 5 3, but the difference is constant. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, and also you see that 3 3, this same power comes if you remember the integration of x to the power n with respect to x. Integration of x to the power n with respect to n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You see n plus 1 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So, we have to integrate. This is clear. But if you integrate this, then you get x square by 2. But here is 3. So, we have to increase the power by 1. To increase, we multiply this with x. So, here also we have to put x. Now see x square, and if you integrate x square, then you get x cube by 3, which is here 3 3. So this is okay. So it is clear that we have to integrate x sin x dx. Integration gives us x square x cube by 3 1 minus, here will be x to the power 3 and 1 x to the power 4. So integration give us x to the power 5 by 5 root 3. In the same way, here will be x to the power 7 by 7 factorial 5 to infinity. Now we have to put the limit. You see that at the place of x there should be pi. So one limit will be pi and the other lower limit. We have to put the lower limit 0 because this 0 makes whole thing 0. It remains only pi, which is here. So this is according to this series. Now the same limit we have to put here, 0 to pi. So 0, putting 0 makes 0. So pi, we put pi. Putting pi, we have 3 factorial 1 minus pi to the power 5 factorial 3 plus pi to the power 7 factorial 5 minus dot 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 to infinity. And in this side we have to integrate this, and this can be integrated with using integration by parts, which gives us x cos x plus sin x. Now putting the limit 0 pi, putting pi, if you put pi, then this will be minus pi cos pi plus sin pi, and a minus sign, thereafter we have to put 0 makes this 0 and this also 0, so 0. Now the value of this thing will be pi, but here we have to, in the question you see, we have to multiply this series with 1 by 2 pi. So we have to multiply this value with 1 by 2 pi. So we have 0.5. So 0.5 is the right answer, which should be put here. So this is the answer.